Good morning, this is Travel Discoveries channel. Welcome back. Today we will talk about how to set an appointment in the DFA to take Apostille. You know, guys, if you have documents like birth certificate, police clearance, transcript of records, and you want to get out. Hello guys, we're going to the DFA. Are you looking for your Master Right or Miss Right? Please check it out, christianfilipina.com. Visa issues? Please check it out, filipinovisa.com. Good morning, this is Travel Discoveries channel. Welcome back. Today we will talk about how to set an appointment in the DFA to take Apostille. You know, guys, if you have documents like birth certificate, police clearance, transcript of records, and you want to get a Apostille or red ribbon before. Right now they call us now Apostille. Just set up an appointment in the DFA. Let's go to the website. DFE Apostille. Said welcome to Apostille appointment verification system. So guys, if you are first timer, just select the schedule an appointment. But if you are already made your appointment and you want to verify, just click the verify Apostille. But since we will make a schedule, so just click this blue schedule an appointment. And they have a notice to the public, guys, that's saying here that applicants are reminded to book an appointment only when the documents for authentication are available. So they said if you want to set an appointment for the Apostille, you can they're reminding that the documents are available for authentication only is those existing documents. But sometimes they said there is due unforeseen circumstances, so kindly send a cancellation request to oka.authentication@dfe.gov.ph. So those available documents only for authentication, you can set an appointment here in the DFE like birth certificate, transcript of records, police clearance, NBI clearance, etc. Actually guys, they have a list also, you can see there. And then they said the available appointment slots are limited to stem the transmission of COVID-19 and to comply with IETF mandated health protocols. Your preferred date and time may not always be available. We apologize for any inconvenience as we continue to improve our services. So that's it. So we need to close this. And then you need to log in using your appointment system. Okay, for example, for me is let us just type your email here, guys. Click individual. fill up the information. Click next, then submit. So you need to type your email and then your password. For those who never yet subscribe, please consider to subscribe, share to your friends, and also click the bell icon and select all so that if I have a new upload videos, you will be notified as soon as